Hello, in this video, I'll be comparing TickTick and Apple Reminders to see which one is the best for you. So, for Apple Reminders, it remains a great option for quick list making, setting recurring reminders, and syncing effortlessly across your Apple devices. It's built in, it's free, and works with Siri, which is convenient for most users. However, despite recent improvements, it still lacks advanced tools like calendar integration, detailed task sorting, or focus timers. On the other hand, TickTick has evolved into a complete productivity app. It offers a visual calendar, habit tracking, Pomodoro focus mode, and customizable smart lists. It also supports tags, filters, cross-platform syncing, which makes it ideal for more structured daily planning. So, if you're looking for simplicity and are fully invested in the Apple ecosystem, then Reminders is a good choice. However, if you need more robust productivity features and multi-device access, then TickTick is the stronger option for you. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.